It's 61 kilometers from the city of Jammu to Palanwala village near the Pakistan border. Jammu, the winter capital of the state of Jammu and Kashmir, is home to over 5 lakh Indians. The main Jammu town is bustling with life. What do the residents feel about the tensions of the border not very far from the city?
जम्मू में हमेशा नॉर्मली रहता है, ज़्यादा प्रॉब्लम तो कश्मीर में होती है या फिर जो बॉर्डर के लोग हैं वो उठ के जम्मू में आ जाते हैं जब भी कोई प्रॉब्लम होती है। जम्मू में ऐसी कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, कोई भी जम्मू में आराम से रह सकता है।
I thought that there will be a more bit of security because it is around the border, but I think people live normally here like we live in Delhi or in any other city.
What is normal for the city folks is perhaps a luxury for those closer to the border.
The Tavi River behind me flows through Jammu to join the Chenab River across the border in Pakistan's Punjab area. This river, in fact, divides the Jammu region into the older part of the town and the new areas of Jammu. We're going to leave behind the new Jammu and are headed towards the older regions and, of course, the border villages.
The demography and topography changes as we cross Tavi and move to Old Jammu.
So I'm told that the Palanwala village, which is a border village, will be another almost an hour's drive from where we are. There is a distinct change in the topography of the area from the Jammu city. The roads are narrower and this is a single line, and because of which you can see that the traffic was also slow. आप लोग कहाँ से हैं? कहाँ रहते हो आप लोग? अखनूर में रहते हैं. Okay. So we have seen that Palanwala has seen cases of ceasefire violations, in the last couple of days. Let's see what lies in store for us as we are headed towards the border villages. We are overlooking the beautiful Chenab River that flows through both India and Pakistan. Originating in the Himalayas, the waters of Chenab are allotted to Pakistan under the Indus Waters Treaty. For Pakistan, these waters are an important source of irrigation and livelihood.
As we cross the Chenab, there is a more visible presence of security posts. But being comfortably away from the line of control means life goes on for people here.
आपके स्कूल में हॉलिडे थी कुछ दिनों से?
हाँ, 3 days की थी।
क्यों?
क्योंकि वो फायरिंग की वजह से।
हमें कोई इधर खतरा इस वक्त तक नहीं है। जान दिल में खतरा रहता है, पता नहीं कब अटैक हो जाता है, लेकिन खतरा नहीं है इधर।
For the residents of Palanwala, hearing gunshots is nothing new. When the situation gets tense, the village goes into a shutdown mode, except for the basic facilities.
There is a constant presence of the Indian Army here at Palanwala, the last village on the Indian side of the line of control. Men in uniform and army trucks can be seen taking a stroll on these streets. But despite that, life goes on for the residents here in this village who have been here for generations.
तकरीबन 5 बजे के करीब में मोटार के जो फायर आने लगे थे पलावाल के पीछे चपराल गांव में, जहाँ सामो गांव में और चंद्रबाला मोहल्ले में सन्नी के करीब जो बुधवार के करीब में वो मोटार के काफ़ी गोले फेंके थे उन्होंने.
There are martyr memorials as one drives to the Indian Army's last checkpoint before the line of control.
अभी क्या करेंगे, अभी 2 घंटे हुए हैं, अभी खाली कराए, जल्दी जल्दी बोल रहे हैं, अब जो निकालना है निकालो, खाने पीने का सामान निकाला है तो बस अभी हम निकल रहे हैं. 5-10 मिनट दुकान बंद करके हम जा रहे हैं. अब बोल रहे हैं फायरिंग हो जाएगी तो निकलना ही है. सबको पता है बुरी हालत चल रही है.
As we head closer to the LOC, the village resembles a ghost town. Shops with their shutters down have bullet marks, and many houses are locked.
It's a complete contrast to what we saw in the town of Jammu, bustling with life, traffic and people. Here in the last few houses before the line of control in Jammu, all that is left is silence and a sense of fear among those who have chosen to stay behind. With video journalist Kapil Kumar near the line of control in Jammu, I'm Shailaja Varma for WION.